Hey retirees, is Social Security covering everything that you need it to? Well, unfortunately for most, the answer to that's no. But here's the good news. eBay can help. And I'll show you how simple it is to turn eBay into a steady little income stream and one that fits perfectly into retirement life. Stick with me because later in this video, I'll share the single biggest mistake that many retirees make on eBay and how you can avoid it. So, hey, I get it. I know that Social Security does not stretch far enough for many people. I get comments all the time, people asking for help getting started on eBay. And as a matter of fact, I do have a little guide that I made up. I'll put it in the description below that will take you step by step through the sign up process on eBay. Now, when you go on eBay and you do sign up, there's two things that are going to be required, and one is going to be a bank account, and that's so they can give you money. That's so they can deposit money into your account. But they're also going to need a credit card. Now, what the credit card's for is any time that you have fees that are built up, then they need a card to be able to charge it. Do understand just the nature of eBay as your sales are being made and that money's coming in and they make a deposit and you just sold an item and you need a shipping label or something, they already sent you the money to your bank account for that item. So there's a deficit then, and that's why they would need a credit card to uh, charge you for that deficit. But it works seamlessly. It's great. And you can track things very easily. But eBay is a practical solution to that Social Security problem. So like I say, if you need a few $100s extra or even more, eBay is the perfect platform to help you get that. Another nice thing with eBay is purpose, a reason to get up in the morning, to get motivated, to go check your sales, to get your sales packed and shipped. And all those things can just make life and retirement more interesting. And it's a lot of fun. Being on the hunt, the treasure hunt for different items, it's a lot of fun. But let me tell you about a quick, easy way to get started without even spending a dime. And that is by listing the things that you have laying around your house. Everyone has something that's laying around that they don't use anymore and they can do without. It's a perfect item to just get listed on eBay. So gather up those things and get these things listed in very short order. You will see some sales starting to come in. So the user guide to get you started, it's going to be in the description below. Look around your house, gather up some items, and start getting these things listed. And let's get started on that eBay journey. Now, one of, if not the biggest issue that retirees will have when it comes to eBay is they quit too soon. You list a few items and you don't see a result right away and they quit. Well, that's the wrong thing to do. Don't think of eBay as a get rich quick scheme. That's not what it is. Think of eBay as a way to build a solid, long-term supplement for your Social Security, and that will work. There's many of us. I've been a seller on eBay since 1999. I can attest to the fact that it does work. And that leads me to the next positive thing to do on eBay to see your sales grow and grow and grow and your store getting bigger and bigger and seeing more and more money to your Social Security supplement. And that is consistency. Too many people are not consistent. They'll list a couple of items and then they'll drop out for a month, 2, 3, 4, and then they'll list a couple items. Wrong way to go about this. When you get on eBay, be consistent. List an item or two your choice. You're the boss. It's not someone telling you to do it. It's up to you to build this consistent supplement to your Social Security. Maybe list one a day or one a week or two or three a week, but be consistent. Do it consistently and you're going to get rewarded by eBay. You will see those sales start coming in and you will be amazed. Then it becomes addictive. Once you are consistent and you're listing, say, 3 items a week, and you've listed for several weeks, and then you start seeing the sales, and now you know, wow, that worked. What happens if I list 5 items a week? And you do that for a while, and you see more sales. Trust me, those sales add up. And that leads me to the next point. Don't buy items just to buy items. Buy items that you know will sell. Now, I teach this all the time, and it's in several of my videos, and is buying items with a good, actually, I like a great sell-through rate. And a sell-through rate is simply how many items like the same thing that you have sold in the last 90 days. And the higher that rate is, the faster you know when you buy it that it's going to sell and it's not going to sit around. So now the luxury of sell-through rate is just happenstance on the items around your house. Those first items you pick up and list, maybe they have a good sell-through rate, maybe they don't. But get them listed and get your store or your account populated with listings. Why I hesitated the way I did right there, you don't have to have a store on eBay. Anyone can go on eBay and sell. Now they do offer stores at a monthly fee, but you don't have to do that. If you do get a store, there's different perks that you can have, like branding and different, like having sales and different things. There's perks that come along with a store, but you don't have to have a store. Anyone can go on and list on eBay. But consistency, guys, I'm telling you, especially with a good sell-through rate item, my goodness, you're going to see sales take off for you. So how many items do you need to list to get sales? That depends on the items that you're listing. If they have a high sell-through rate, it doesn't take very many at all to start seeing the sales come in. But in general, just think about, a 3%, I believe, is what the going rate that everybody talks about. 3% is what you can expect to sell a day on your listings. So that means if you have 100 listings up, trust me, it is not hard to get 100 listings up. But if you do, you can get up to 2 to 3 sales a day. But let's say you don't. Let's say you only get 3 sales in a week, okay? But your sales, your profit average is, $20, let's say, because of the items that you're listing. Times 3, $60, 4 weeks, $240 a month. That's if you're not being super successful on eBay, but the sales will start. And like I said, guys, it becomes addictive. You start looking more and more for those good items with good sell-through rates to get them listed. So the bottom line is, if you need a supplement for your Social Security and you don't know what to do, you don't know where to turn, I'm telling you, eBay is a really good platform to get that supplement money coming in. And it also will build purpose. And there's many retirees that don't know what to do with themselves once they retire. Even if you don't need the supplement to your Social Security, let's say you are fine. That's not an issue for you. Well, that's great, but still, an eBay account and selling on eBay, you're going to find a purpose and you're going to be out around people and meeting people and selling things and packing things and shipping things. Guys, trust me, you'll get up in the morning to see what you sold overnight. It's fun. It's profitable. and it's a great way to supplement your Social Security. Ask your questions, put in your comments, and I would want to know if you're interested in supplementing your income, if that would work for you, if it would help you, and what items do you have that you can see maybe you could get listed right off the bat and get it rolling. Hey guys, like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on my next video.